Realty firm Supertech Limited has incurred a loss of about 500 crore including construction and interest cost because of the demolition of its twin towers in Noida. Hi and welcome to Bird English. This is Yamima. Well, the nearly 100-meter tall twin towers were demolished as per the Supreme Court order that found their construction with the Emerald Court premises in violation of norms. More than 3,700 kgs of explosive were used in this operation. The cost of the demolition itself is estimated at about 20 crore. Our overall loss is around 500 crore. Taking into account the amount we have spent on land and construction cost, the charges paid to authorities for various approvals, interest paid to banks over the years and the 12% interest paid back to buyers of these twin towers. Among the other costs, the company's chairman, Mr. Arora, said these twin towers were part of Supertech's Emerald Court project at Sector 93A on Noida Expressway. The current market value of over 900 apartments in the two towers is being estimated at overall 700 crore. Edifice had roped in a South African expert's jet demolition for the project. In August last year, the Supreme Court had ordered demolition of the twin towers and directed that the entire amount of home buyers has to be refunded with the 12% interest from the time of the booking. The Supreme Court has also ordered that the Residents Welfare Association be paid 2 crore for the harassment cost due to the construction of the twin towers. Well, the court had said that construction of Supertech's twin 40-story towers have 915 flats and 21 shops was done in collusion with the Noida authority. Supertech said in a statement that the demolition would not impact its other projects. We have completed and given delivery of 70,000 units to home buyers and are committed to give delivery to remaining home buyers as per scheduled time frame. We assure all our home buyers that the order of Supreme Court will not affect any other ongoing project and all other projects will continue, it added. Well, these are the updates. Keep watching Bird English.